Howdy everyone. Today we'll be talking about how to upload some code to Github. GitHub is basically a website where you can back up your code, collaborate on other people's projects, and all sorts of stuff actually. It's a pretty good resource. A lot of programmers know how to use it as well, so I guess it might just be in best practice to get you guys started on it fairly early to get into the practice of backing up your code and whatnot. So anyway, go ahead and create an account on GitHub. That should be self-explanatory. We'll go up to this little plus and hit new repository. You'll want to name that after your project. I'm not sure if you guys are actually naming your project tutorial or not. I am. So I guess replace that with the name of whatever you named your project. We'll just create an empty repo for it. Sweet. So next thing you want to do, and I'll include this in the description. I assume most of you guys are using Windows, and as unfortunate as that is, I know the pain of Windows. You'll have to install, it's kind of like a bundle of 3 programs, all of which are just not as good as the terminal Git in Linux. But that's beside the point. If you're on Windows, go ahead and download it here. If you're using like a Debian Linux or like Ubuntu or Linux Mint or something like that, I think it's just sudo apt-get install git. Not hard. I'm not sure about like yum managers and whatnot. Anyway, however you need to get Git on your system, do it. Once that's installed, go ahead and open up the directory in which you have your code. Come down here. Look for, see what I mean. There's some GUI program. Git command and git bash are pretty much the same thing, except git bash doesn't let you copy and paste stuff. Alright, so we'll cd to the directory in which all of our code is in. Go ahead and paste that. Great. We'll git init, meaning we're initializing this folder to upload to GitHub. So you can see there's a little hidden folder git, right? And alright. And this or that file right there, that's a blank file. Or it should be blank anyway, untitled. That's the .gitignore, and basically what that allows you to do is you can type in certain directories or file names on that, and it'll ignore that file or folder when uploading and pushing to GitHub. That can be useful for a variety of reasons. Alright, well anyway, next thing we want to do is we'll remote it to our GitHub repo, meaning we're just kind of linking them up. Cool, copy that. You can name this whatever. We'll probably just name it tutorial. In a lot of maybe Git tutorials, you'll see origin there. Origin's just kind of a placeholder name. Okay, so tutorial, and then we'll go ahead and paste this link here we got from our repo. That's not it. Maybe I didn't copy it. I just highlighted it. Yeah. Control C. Space. Paste. Great. Now we can do get status. And that'll show us all of the untracked files or modified files we have. So you can see there's a few things here. We'll go get add period, which adds all of these. You could specify what you want to add as well. I could do like get add plugin.yml or something like that as well. But we want to go ahead and add all of them. We'll get commit -m, meaning we're leaving a message. Oops. And we'll say first commits. Great. Couple exclamation points there, you know, because we're all pretty excited about this, right? Pretty exciting. Absolutely. Okay, last thing we'll do is git push the name of our remote, which was tutorial, and the master branch is the default place to send. So like there's other branches you could add, like GitHub Pages, which allows you to kind of display a website. You can upload code there. Anyway, you can set up different branches to upload different versions of the code and whatnot. But if we refresh, we pushed, and All of that's there, and as you can see, there's our commit comment. If you click on that, it'll show you all the stuff that's changed. So you can see those branches here. You can add another one. In any case, that's all you got to do. It's pretty easy, huh? It's not a hard thing to upload to GitHub. So I would just recommend getting in the practice of committing your code and pushing it to GitHub and keeping it backed up. I would also really recommend contributing to some open source projects as you start to code more. It's good for the community, and you can learn a lot that way. Alright, well, anyway, I hope you guys had fun. Thanks for watching. I am pretty sure I'm going to put out another video tonight, if not probably, I don't know, Sunday or Monday or something like that. And that'll be about configuration files for a Bukkit plugin, which allows you to do some pretty cool stuff, actually. You can store a lot of information that way. In any case, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.